Hello everybody, this is a video of this massager that I recently purchased. It's a facial and it looks like there's some tape over this word. I might peel it off later. SK668. It comes with 4 different heads. It's got a lithium battery inside, and it's got some level adjustment. Don't know what that is, on and off control. So let me just open it up. Here we go. So it comes with a manual, basic instructions, a charger, is the massage gun. The brand is Manieti or Manieli. Has the on and off button here, the charger here to connect, and that's where you put in the different heads. So it's got the different heads here. So this is apparently for, it's a small flat head. You notice that this head here doesn't look like it's molded properly, so I wouldn't use this. It feels a bit rough on the edge here, so I wouldn't really use this one. Then you've got this U head. It's for the vertebrae. Ball head for large muscle groups. It's just feels like just a hard foam. And then this is the small round head for the joints. So let me try the large muscle head, the ball head. So these are the different heads here. I'll just charge it up as well. So I've got a connector here. It's got a green light. So if this goes red, it means it's charging. So let's just give it a little while so it charges. Let's see now. Use this ball head muscle group. So to turn it on, you press this button. It's got different speeds. So it's got the one indicator means speed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 6 speeds. To turn it off, you just hold on to the power button. So let me try zoom into before the hand, obviously. Seems to do the job. Turn it off. This is pretty cheap. It's a lot cheaper than some of the other massagers. Let me see what this label was. I'll peel this label here and see what it has. Looks like there's some black tape stuck on it. Okay, just peeling it off slowly. So it's facial gun. Oh, okay. So maybe just because it had the word gun, it might not be very suitable for marketing purposes, especially on where I bought it from on eBay. So maybe that's why they taped the word gun. Put it back on. So there you go. This was the Fascial SK668 with the 4 different heads. put a link in the description where I bought it from. If you want to try the same massager, just buy it from the link. Thank you. Like and subscribe to the channel.